AI is everywhere, and if you're not sure where to start or how to best leverage it, we've created a course for you called Generative AI 2025. Let's check it out. Like all our courses, we start with our AI guide Cosmo and a lesson.
Welcome to the lesson, Demystifying Generative AI.
I've already taken this one, so let's skip right ahead to the practice. This first one is going to help me identify when generative AI is used versus when it's not used. Put my answers in here and hit submit. Now, I've gotten a few of these wrong, so Cosmo's there to make sure that I'm better understanding where generative AI is used versus where it's not used with a really helpful description. Now I'm going to have the opportunity to demonstrate what I've learned by emailing these insights to a friend. I kind of forget the second thing, but let's see what Cosmo says. Now, because Cosmo is a super helpful tutor, I'm going to get some hints and tips to make sure that I fully understand all of these concepts. Now let's move on to one of my favorite ways to practice, by having a conversation to reinforce the concepts that I've learned in this lesson.
Hey there, how's it going?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So, I've been hearing a lot about generative AI lately, and I'm really curious about it. Like, what exactly is it, and how does it work?
It's such a great question, and I'm taking this really interesting course right now to learn more about those things. And a super interesting thing I discovered is that it's not thinking like a human, it's actually just using pattern recognition and math to predict what's next. It can use that to do things like a creative brainstorm with me, or crafting an email, or even coming up with a new recipe.
Oh wow, that sounds really fascinating.
I'm going to end the conversation there for time. If you, like Milo and I, are interested in learning more about generative AI, visit codesignal.com.